Leah Longmire with Spin the Globe. Life is tough, but it's often tougher when you're in a wheelchair. The bad news is most barriers to access are created by people. The great news is we can work together to remove many of those barriers. Let's take a look. These are just a few ways that we can work together to remove some common barriers to access. So spread the word by sharing this video with your friends, family, and coworkers, and help us make the world a more wheelchair accessible place. Thanks so much.